All right, welcome again back to my channel. This is how I complete my entire workflow as far as editing, retouching, photos, whatever you want to call it. So I've just done my dodging and burning, and so now I am going to finish my editing in Lightroom. So here we go. We have the picture all done the way we wanted it in Photoshop, dodge and burn, frequency separation, and then I am going to merge these layers because I don't want to export a really large file back into Lightroom. It might take forever to do it. So once I have it all merged, I will go File, Save, this will let Photoshop know that I'm done with this process and I want to go back to Lightroom. So I'll go and click on Lightroom, open it back up, and wait a few seconds, and you'll see that file load back up with the updates in Lightroom. All right, here we go. We're back in Lightroom. You see the updated file. Check out the before and after. This is how the new photo looks. Here's the one prior to us editing in Photoshop. Again, before, after. Looks a whole lot better already. Already we've done a lot to increase the quality of this photo. So now what we're going to do is put the finishing touches on this picture. So in Lightroom, over to the right side where you have white balance and you have your color temperatures and tint and everything, there are these picture profiles that are presets in Lightroom. I am not above using presets if they look good. And so what I normally do is go and choose those picture profiles. Just kind of go through them little by little. First, let me increase the contrast just a little bit. I want a little bit more contrast in there. Let's say about, let's go with 12. 12 will do it. And in her shorts, she has on like some yellow shorts, like a yellow short set. We're going to go to luminance, go down to the HSL color, hue, saturation, luminance. We'll go to the yellow luminance and increase the yellow. Let's increase the yellow to 100%. And so that's just making the yellows in this photo pop, but it looks good to me. So sometimes you have to watch that. I certainly wouldn't do it with everything, but we'll watch it here because sometimes it'll mess with the skin tones a bit. So, but this works for this photo. All right, so let's go back up to those picture profiles and take a look and see what can help our photo just a little bit more. So I'll just kind of go through these. And this is one of those processes to where you do what looks right for you. And so I don't have like a set way of doing it, but this is my process. Martin 04. So after you've decided on which one you want to choose, you can kind of play with the amount at the top here. Just this, you see the sliding lever at the top. How much of that preset you want to use, the profile preset you want to use, and then hit close. And just for having fun, just to have fun with it, you can actually go back and like increase the vibrance on it and just see what happens. If you don't like it, again, you can always undo it, but I'm gonna leave the vibrance at about 22, and I think that's it. So again, you see the before, after. This is how the photo looked before. This is how it looks after. Really nice, really nice. So this photo has come a long way. That's it. That is my workflow for retouching photos. Again, I will do my initial fixes in Lightroom, a very basic fix. Then I will export Lightroom to Photoshop. I will do my frequency separation first, and then I'll do my dodge and burn. After the dodge and burn, I will save the photo and upload it back into Adobe Lightroom and finish with maybe using one of the presets. in Lightroom. That's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate it. Check out all the videos. Make sure hopefully this video helped you to increase your retouching skills. But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If there's anything else you want to see me do, I will definitely do it, make a video of it, and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss any new videos that I upload. Again, I appreciate you for watching. Thank you.